Hi. Recently, many of my friends asked me how to do this accreditations by assessment, right? So, well, there is if you get TTT after you need to accreditation by assessment, right? Before is activity. So today, focus is on assessment, right? By assessment. So you look at this document here. You can find it here at this list here. I'll put into the link right now. Assessment is here. The training are required to demonstrate. So basically, there are only two items out of this right here. So course outline, session plan, right? Make sure all these thing is there. The presentation slide. So how's the course outline looks like, right? There's a template. How's the session plan looks like, right? There's also a template. So course outline is template and course outline is right here. Course outline, this is it, right? So you got to spell out what's the program title, what's the overview, what's the learning outcome, what's the duration, target, participants, course content, and the learning module, right? Learning for this here, right? So here, okay. So what you can do is that for this one, you can easily do right with the, really easily do. We just we cut this out here, okay, and then you go to the ChatGPT, okay, and then you go here and you say that help me write this, uh, write the Excel training for this. Give a example, okay, for each of the item. Let's see if one, right? Let's just try out. Right? See, I just got the idea when the more I share, the more I have, right? Just like, no, take a look at this here, right? Okay. So basically, there you are, right? Module 203, right? So now the thing is that here, right? So you can see that here, okay, good. And then you can just say that help me create the slide for this, for all each of this module, output as a PowerPoint slide if you can. Let's see if we can just do that here, right? So let's take a look here. So provided that you are the subject matters expert, right, then this, you just need to check whether this is correct, right? So all right, so basically I have created the slide, right? Let's take a look at here. So yep, that's it, right? Let's take a look. Okay, then module 2, module 3, module 4, right? And then enable editing, right? And then you can just go and get some kind of designer formattings here, right? So you can generate some ideas. Yeah, basically, right, these are the things, right? And then you can just put it into your this here guide here, right? So there's durations, right? Let's see here, duration up to 2 days, right? So what's it here now? Okay, and the session plan, right? Session plan. So these are the thing, right? You plug it inside here. Once you have the module, you plug in here. You provided it. You so basically, right? HRDCorp wants to know that not only, you see, when you do this thing, right? It's not really just for HRDCorp. It's actually that you want to present this to the to the what the to to the clients, right? Present to us, right? TP, and then we as the training providers, and then we want to know that, hey, for this module, right, how long it takes for you, right? Because if you just go Google about this here, right, it doesn't tells you that this module one, the sub module takes how much, right? Navigate Excel, how much time is it? Managing worksheet, how much time is it, right? So is it 1 day or is it 2 day, right? So um so you can see that here, this could be the first day itself, and this could be the second day. It will be more challenging, right? So there you go, I see here. So you can add in many other elements inside here, right? Because you can see that interactive, case study, peer, right? So now right here there is there's a methodology, right? There's a module, and yeah, there's a case study, right? So you can see that This could be easily a 60 minute. So, all right. So now next thing is that very important, right? Is that in this guideline here, you can get this. You have a presentation slide, right? You can use AI just do it. Now, provide that attendance form, feedback, or acknowledge form, right? So here, usually not usually, right? According to personal data, right? Attendance form should not be given to trainers and needs to be minimized, right? Because they consist of personal data, uh, okay, PV, and then the feedback form, right? You might have it, and then there's an acknowledge letters, so you can get this acknowledge letter from the here, right? Any one of them will do, right? Assessment, and then there's link to video now. Now this here, this is the important things, right? If you don't do this well, right, then what happens is that you get rejected, right? You will get query from not rejected, sorry, it's a query from the this. So that's why it give you this here, right? So you need at least 3 of this here, CJ here. So it give you a very clear guide, right? So where do I find this? It's right here, assessment by accreditation, right? So you have to look at that. You provide an intro, right? So you can see that all this video all together, right? You need to provide a minimum of 2 hours, right? So it is stated somewhere here, right? Yes, refer to appendix A, right? So look at this appendix A. So I just search for it. Appendix A, yeah. Now appendix A tells you that here that you see 60 minutes the video should be here and more, and then you can see that here this requirement is very critical. It has to be Bahasa Malaysia or English. Other language is not not allowed, right? Okay. Now then this here quality must be here, and this is important. This is important, right? That you include the participant involvement, right? Trainer is in action, participant is in movement. So trainer requirement to shot here from the back of the training room, right? So that you can see that the key is about engagement of the participants and the trainer. So trainer ask question and this here. So it depends different from this YouTube video, right? There's no involvement. Just the consent to must obtain the consent of the participants to taste must contain okay. Trainer must obtain the consent of the clients. Okay. So then there is a open module, right? So that's about 30 minutes. They should have 3 sessions, right? So another complete module from the remaining estimated about 30-60 seconds, and then the sessions or summary that will be here. The total duration of video must be minimum 2 hours, right? Okay, so that means that you can conduct this, right? It doesn't spell out that you must do it in one day, one whole day. You can just complete it in just 2 hours, right? 2 hours. So 30, right? 2 hours, right? So that means you can do to go through this assessment, you can simply arrange a training for 2 hours, right? How? By 30 minutes for opening, one teach one module, and then another 30 minutes for summary, and the engagements are there. So what is that here? So um okay, so that is the idea, right? So maybe I'll just put it. Maybe I'll just cut this down and then just put it here. um okay, I just asked my ChatGPT, right? I said, can you give me an agenda for 2 hours based on this, right? Say teach on how to use uh, the latest Excel 365 XLOOKUP and Lambda. Okay, and then that's it. Let's play this here, right? So okay, let's just look at this here, right? So it's a studying here, and you just take a look at what happened, right? Okay, good. Okay, so 10 minutes, welcome, ice breaking, introduction 20 minutes, session 2, 60 minutes. All right. Yeah, introduction is 60 minutes. Recap, session 1. Okay, that's it, right? So we can see that This is the what they call the agenda, right here, agenda. They just plug it into this game here, right? Not this game, right? So like this here. So now as a trainer, you just go through it and then teach them how this X lookup, what is this here. So yeah, you can provide a slide, a guide, some guide like this, right? So yeah, so yeah, that's it, right? So that is how you can do the this here. Okay, now read this, right? Here's a good chance. Here's a good news for you, right? For online session, person must keep their cameras on throughout, right? So you can see that means online session is also can, and there's a visible engagement between themselves and the trainers, right? The link should be saved is on the online hosting, so you can save it on the YouTube, Dropbox, Google, right? Only the link should be submitted. So you only submit the link, right? Submit the link, and that is it, right? This is how you can do this, right? So first time, right, it's always hard to get this done, right? So if you have, I mean, this video will hopefully help you to do that, right? So yeah, so I myself is already accredited trainers, right? So okay, and there you go, see, that's it, right? So then you can go to this trainers HRDCorp. Once you're ready with that sort of this thing, right? Then you come inside here, and then there will be some buttons for you to click, right? So you try out first, right? Thank you. And once again, thank you. And then yeah, okay. Happy accreditation by assessment. As for me, right,